Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with the XRP Ledger. First, take a moment to understand what the XRP Ledger is and its advantages. Next, you'll need to select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy XRP. Once you've chosen an exchange, proceed to create your account and complete the necessary identity verification steps. This foundational setup is crucial for your journey. After setting up your account, the next step is to fund it. You can typically use bank transfers, debit cards, or other supported payment methods. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trading section and place an order to buy XRP. Be sure to review the current price and the amount you wish to purchase. Finally, confirm your transaction to acquire your XRP tokens. Now that you own XRP, it's vital to secure it in a personal wallet. Research and choose a wallet that supports XRP and meets your security needs, such as a hardware or software wallet. When creating your wallet, carefully back up your recovery phrase and keep it safe. Remember, you'll need to deposit at least one XRP to activate your new wallet on the ledger. With your wallet set up, you can now transfer your XRP from the exchange. Always double-check the wallet address and include any required destination tag to ensure your funds arrive safely. Once in your personal wallet, your XRP is more secure and ready for use. You can now explore various applications and services built on the XRP Ledger, leveraging its speed and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.